Getting an accurate result and better performance requires the best blood pressure monitor, and BloodPressureX is one of the best devices. In this video, we will give you a genuinely independent review of BloodPressureX. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is BloodPressureX? Before I jump deep into the BloodPressureX review with its specifications, let's get to know what it is and what it offers. The BloodPressureX is a digital blood pressure analyzer that helps you know your blood pressure level within seconds. It works with a high-tech sphygmomanometer that measures your blood flow's oscillations and reads how efficiently it's pumping. The best part about BloodPressureX is the automation it brought along to keep your effort in memorizing the levels to the minimum. It's highly portable, has an automated pumping mechanism, and works with batteries to read your blood pressure. However, you can also run it with the AC adapter if you're not using it outside. That helps you save the battery life, and the automation helps in efficient blood pressure monitoring. BloodPressureX specifications. Accurate blood pressure monitor. One button operated, easy to use. Year, month, date function. Auto power off, battery saver. Powerful with 4x AA batteries power. Features of BloodPressureX. The things that put the FDA-approved BloodPressureX stand out from the other classic or modern blood pressure monitors are its features. Automatic air pump. One of the most annoying things about traditional blood pressure monitors is the manual air pumping. It can be an inconvenient thing to do if an elderly person or a person with a disability is trying to monitor his or her blood pressure. Easy to read monitor. Like I said before, BloodPressureX makes it easier to monitor blood pressure. The digital monitor takes that to another height. It comes with a large LCD screen that shows your blood pressure level as large numeric outputs. Completely portable. If you have blood pressure problems, traveling might seem frightening as you cannot take a bulky monitor with you. However, if you have the BloodPressureX with you, it can be a piece of cake because the BloodPressureX is portable in design. Energy efficiency. The BloodPressureX is efficient at energy consumption to get you a longer lifespan from a single charge. When you're using it using the AC adapter, it will run on AC electricity instead of consuming the battery. It will charge the battery and run the machine simultaneously and put less pressure on the battery. Larger circumference cuff. The circumference cuff size is a big issue when it comes to using for obese people and using it comfortably. If you fall into the line of a little obese people and have been trying other regular fit blood pressure monitors, the BloodPressureX will surely fascinate you. It comes with a big 9 to 17 inches adjustable circumference cuff that can easily fit in bigger upper arms. Automated storage and tracking. Remembering the last monitoring data is a headache for most people, especially those who need regular checkups. However, with the BloodPressureX, you can finally get the relief from writing down, keeping the track manually. The BloodPressureX comes with a memory function that remembers your blood pressure monitoring history. How BloodPressureX different from other devices? The best thing that sets the BloodPressureX stand out from the other blood pressure monitors in the market is the technology it uses. It has the latest blood pressure monitoring technologies that work for you and makes your job easier. Things like memory function, automatic air inflation technology make it the only option that you can go for a high-tech product. It runs on both AC electricity and AA batteries that make it a versatile and true portable machine for blood pressure monitoring. Final thought. Monitoring your blood pressure is important for keeping your heart healthy and your blood vessels open and wide. If you're suffering from obesity, any kind of heart disease or hypertension, you must keep track of your blood pressure to stay sharp. I hope with the BloodPressureX review, you now have the right device that can help you keep your cardiac health on a safer measure. The BloodPressureX is by far the best blood pressure monitoring device that can help you with good health in the long run. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the BloodPressureX, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.